Welcome to the fastening revolution known as the Ramset T3, the most advanced gas-actuated tool on the market today. Even though gas-actuated tools require no licensing, it's always wise to have a working knowledge of the tool before operating it. Let's get to know the tool. Gas tools are basically one-cylinder engines, delivering consistent power with the use of a fuel cell. There are many benefits for using gas technology. Consistency and versatility. Fasten into concrete, steel, pandeck, and hollow block without making any changes to the tool. Ramset's gas-actuated tools know one thing and one thing only, and that is to shoot the fastener to the same consistent depth regardless of what you are shooting into. You make no adjustments. There are no buttons or dials to turn, no changes to the load levels, or figuring out which you're going to need, because you have one fuel cell that does all the work. There is no overdrive, perfect for hollow block applications, and virtually no kickback, which minimizes operator fatigue. Because there is no need to use powder, gas tools never require licensing, and it's so quiet you could work in occupied buildings, making it perfect for hospitals and schools. Because you are using clean burning fuel and each tool has a built-in dust shield, there is no need for spraying, brushing, or lubricating. The tool requires minimal maintenance, keeping the tool and your workers on the job site longer. The basis of Ramset gas-actuated fastening tools are the fuel cells. Each fuel cell contains 1,000 shots. They're easy to install. Just drop it in and click to engage. Leave the cell in until it's completely used up. When it's used, press the quick release fuel cell eject button and dispose of it the same way you would a can of spray paint. The 6-volt NiCad Easy Off battery gives you 3,000 shots when fully charged. Each tool ships with 2 batteries, so you'll never be out of power. The battery takes about an hour to fully charge. Also, there's only one way to put it in, so you never have to worry about a busted battery pack. The T3 battery features an off mode, a standby mode, which disengages the battery so it doesn't drain overnight. When you come on the job site, just push the battery in and the flashing green light tells you you're ready to rock and roll. The leveling foot helps to keep the tool at 90 degrees to the surface. If your preference is to work without the foot, or you're working in a tight area, just unscrew the knob and it comes off easily. Even at just under 7 pounds, the T3 may even feel lighter because the T3 is ergonomically designed to balance the weight on the front of the tool. The electrical nose piece comes standard with the tool. It will handle 90% of your fastening needs, including one-hole straps, threaded rod hangers, tie strap holders, conduit clamps, angle pin and clip for grid wire applications, threaded stud, standard 3/4 top hat pins for shooting up boxes. The front end is interchangeable. Remove the nose piece and switch out to the magnetized mechanical nose piece, giving you the option to shoot washered pins, primarily for duct strap applications. To change out the nose piece, simply grab, twist, and pull. To put it in, just give it a firm push. A compatible 6-foot pole tool is also available for overhead applications. For more detailed information, please see the Ramset Tool Operator's Manual. Thank you for learning more about the T3 and its applications. Ramset, driving job site speed.